Okay, so while this is running with my tag grabber campaign over here, I just started running a new tag grabber campaign. What I did is I started off with YouTube SEO as a single keyword, and I cherry picked the very best keywords here that are very relevant to my topic. Okay, very relevant. Okay, they're very targeted, and this is really crucial when we're doing PPC within YouTube advertising, especially for the $1 a day ad campaigns. We want to be as specific as we possibly can. So with that search, I found a whole bunch of keywords that were very accurate. I then took those keywords and started to run them through this new campaign here where I've got multiple keywords running. Okay, so that's going to take some time, but while that is happening, what I can do is I can copy these keywords and I can give you a demonstration of the Tube Placement Finder. Okay, so this is going to find videos that you can advertise on. Now ideally I would wait for the tag grabber to finish, and it would give me even more keywords that I could cherry pick. Then I can come in here and do a brand new campaign. But for the time being, what I'll do is, just to get the project started and show you how to use this, I'm going to start this off with just some of these so that you can see some results. Okay, I'm not going to take all of them. I'll take the first 4 here so that you can use them. Now you would want to put all of these in here, and you want to give it time to finish, but since we're just doing a video demonstration, I'll come back and redo this campaign later for myself. So I'm just going to call this one YouTube SEM, Search Engine Marketing, and click on Add to Project. And now that I'm in here, make sure that we have got the proxies on, and we can start the processing. And it doesn't matter if you've got the tag grabber working at the same time, you can just let it do its work. Okay, both of them will work separately at the same time, and we just need to give it some time. It's doing some background work, and then it will start to pre-fill the keywords in here as it's finding them, the video URLs in here as it's finding them. And these are the videos that you can then just copy and paste the URLs, and you can put it into your YouTube advertising campaign and tell Google, I want to advertise on these videos. Okay, exactly on these videos, and that becomes really targeted advertising. And from my testing, that costs 2 cents cost per click. Okay, so the day-to-day campaigns is where we would use that. Okay, now we just simply use the YouTube target URLs in here, click on add to URLs, and I'll put them in here one at a time. Now as we progress, we will do some more integrations and make this simpler to work with so that we can work fast and efficiently. For example, you can import URLs from CSVs that you've already exported from campaigns that you've done from the Tube Placement Finder, or any CV. So for any CSV, sorry. So if you've done some targeting with another YouTube placement tool that's giving you an export file, you can pull in from the CSV from there into your project in here as well. Now if I come back into the Tube Placement Finder, you can see my campaign is finished there. We pulled up 84 videos that have got video advertising enabled or monetization enabled. What we can see up here as well is that we can actually checkbox all here, and we can click up here to send to, and we can send to the current project to for D-Day campaigns. So okay, so I can actually just click on that to send that over into a new project in here. Okay, so you can see my YouTube targeting URLs have automatically been pulled in, and that will save us some time as well. So let's come back over into the Tube Placement. Now normally I would expect to get a lot more keywords and a lot more videos in here, so I need to ask my coder to check it again just to make sure, or maybe he's tightened up the actual process of finding videos that have got monetization enabled. Because what you will often find is if you put in like 1,000 or 2,000 video URLs, you might come out with just 800 that you can advertise on. They get purged by YouTube. So I don't know if he's tightened that up or not, but it doesn't matter because these are really accurate, and we can put in as many keywords as we want, and we're not limited to how many we can do in a day. Okay, you can put in unlimited keywords, you can do unlimited campaigns, just keep running them, and when you're ready, click here to send to a new campaign, and that will start a new campaign in the D-Day ads if that's what you're using. Okay, so that's basically an introduction into the Tube Placement Finder. It is a very powerful tool, but I do want to check why we're not getting more URLs in here at the moment, but I do know that they will be very targeted, and we've got unlimited keywords and unlimited campaigns that we can use. Thank you for watching.